Has your home been sitting with showings that go nowhere and offers that never come? Hi, I'm Samantha with Sold by Samantha, and I will be honest with you, the days of automatic over-asking offers on unstaged homes are over. When a good home stalls past the 60-day mark, here in Scottsdale, Arizona, it's almost never bad luck. It's usually one of 5 fixable mistakes, and today I will walk you through every one. Mistake number 1, overpricing for last year's market. Let us start with the big one, price. This is the most common reason a home sits. So many sellers anchor to what their neighbor got last year or to the highest number an online estimate throws out. But buyers do not shop in the past. They shop today's options, and when your home is priced above the comparable listings down the street, they simply pick the better value. Here's the painful irony. An overpriced home often sells for less in the end, because the longer it sits, the more buyers wonder what is wrong with it. Pricing in today's market from day one creates urgency instead of hesitation. Mistake number 2, skipping staging and presentation. Once your price brings buyers through the door, presentation decides how they feel. Empty rooms feel cold and look smaller, while cluttered and overly personal spaces make it hard for buyers to picture their own life there. The good news is that staging does not have to be expensive. Decluttering, depersonalizing, opening the blinds for natural light, and arranging furniture to show off each room can completely change how a home reads. The goal is simple: help buyers imagine living there, comfortably and immediately. A move-in ready home almost always beats one that asks buyers to picture the potential. Mistake number 3, weak photos and online presence. Long before everyone walks through the door, they decide whether your home is worth a trip, and they decide from the photos. Dark, blurry, or sparse images send buyers scrolling right past. No matter how lovely your home is in person, in a market full of alternatives, a thin online presence quietly costs you showings you will never know you lost. Professional, well-lit photography, a full set of rooms, and a strong first image are the front door to your sale. If your listing does not shine online, far fewer buyers ever make it to the tour. Mistake number 4, ignoring repairs and updates. Buyers notice the small things, and a list of visible to-do items adds up fast in their minds. A dripping faucet, scuffed paint, a sticky door, a dated fixture. Each one plants a seed of doubt, and together they hand buyers a reason to walk away or negotiate hard. You do not need a full renovation to compete. Tackling the obvious repairs, refreshing tired paint, making a few well-chosen updates removes these objectives before they start. Smart, modest improvements often return more than they cost. Mistake number 5, inflexibility on terms and feedback. Here's the last one, and it surprises people. Even a well-priced, beautifully presented home can stall when a seller digs in on terms or tunes out what buyers are saying. Rigid showing windows, an inflexible closing plan, or an unwillingness to consider reasonable requests can push interested buyers on easier options. And just as important as feedback, when showing after showing surfaces the same comment, that is the market handing you a roadmap. Sellers who listen and stay flexible give their home the best chance to close. So there they are, the 5 mistakes that keep good Scottsdale homes from selling: overpricing, skipping presentation, weak photos, ignoring repairs, and inflexibility. So here's the reassuring part. Every one of them is fixable, and you do not have to guess which is holding your home back. If your listing has stalled, if you want to launch it right the first time, reach out to Sold by Samantha. I will review your price, presentation, feedback, and we will build a plan to get your home moving here in Scottsdale. Thanks for watching.